It can be frustrating when you're waiting for an important email and it just doesn't show up. If your Gmail isn't receiving new messages, don't panic. The solution is usually one of these simple fixes. Let's start with the easiest things to check. Check your internet. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between them. First, quit and reopen. Close the Gmail app completely by swiping it up from the app switcher, then reopen it. Restart your device. A quick reboot can often fix temporary glitches. Well, sometimes emails are coming in, but they are not going to your inbox. In the Gmail app, open the three-line menu and go to the spam folder. If you find the missing email, tap the three dots and select Report Not Spam to move it to your inbox and prevent it from happening again. On a computer, also check your filters and blocked addresses in Gmail settings. Another reason why you are not receiving any messages is that your storage might be full. This is a very common reason. Gmail shares storage with Google Photos and Google Drive. Open a browser and go to one.google.com/storage. This page will show you how much space you have left. If it's full, you won't receive any new emails. To free up space, go back to Gmail and delete large files or old messages you no longer need. Also, your phone might not be syncing correctly. To make sure it works, go to Settings, Accounts, select your Google account, and make sure sync is enabled for Gmail. Also, make sure your Gmail app is up to date in the App Store or Google Play Store. If you have tried all these apps and you're still not receiving emails, check the Google Workspace status dashboard to see if there's a wider service outage. Otherwise, contact Google support for further help.